How are you? I'm fine. What happened to you? What was the floor about? It wasn't cold. I can see the lost weight. I haven't from sitting. Can you see that? Yeah. Very good. How is the stool? Somewhat big with water again. The next two should be yellow and spending 4 minutes. The doctor said that until 1 week should be using
Oh yeah.
taking photos.
Hiccups. He's got the hiccups. Yeah.